All right, what we have here in this example is a quadratic function. The parent is graphed out here in the red. I'm going to highlight it over here again in the red. It's a quadratic function, y equals x squared. And then we have a transformation that exists. If you notice, here is the origin, 0, 0. And now we're picking up this blue function and moving it to the left. And let's count how many. Looks like we're going left 3 and then up 0. So, identify the parent function. The parent function is a quadratic. The parent function equation in the red here is y equals x squared. Now we want to come up with what would be the equation of this blue function. So we said that it's left 3 units. So for us to write that in our equation, anything you go left or right, horizontal translations, has to be written inside the equation, so inside the parentheses. When we go left, we have to think opposite when we write the equation, so it's going to be x plus 3 all squared. So that would be the equation for this quadratic function. All right, here's a second example. We have a quadratic function. Here's our starting point here at 0, 0, the origin. We're going to just focus on the origin point and how it's translated. So our parent function is the quadratic again. The parent function for this quadratic function is y equals x squared. Now let's see what happened to the new function in the blue here. How did it move? It moved 2 to the right and then 1 up. So here is our new vertice over 2 up 1. So there's our parabola. All right, so let's talk about what is the transformations that happened. We moved right 2 on the x-axis, and then we moved up 1 on the y-axis. So we have to write this equation. So here is our general equation, and we have to figure out how do we write that equation. So let's talk about the right 2. When you go right 2, that has to be written inside the equation, inside the parentheses. So right 2, we have to think opposite. It's going to be a minus 2. And then the plus 1, moving it up 1, happens outside the equation. That affects the y-axis.